Get ready for a classic chess ambush. This is Vienna, 1894. A wild and deadly trap unfolds from the very first moves. Will white survive, or will black's unexpected attack claim victory? Let's dive in. White opens with pawn to f4. Black immediately strikes back in the center with pawn to e5. White takes on e5, grabbing material. But black is relentless, developing the knight to c6 and supporting the attack. More central tension. White brings out the knight to f3. Black answers with pawn to d6. White snatches the pawn on d6, but black quickly recaptures with the bishop, getting ready for action. White plays pawn to d4, taking more space. Black develops the knight to f6, pressure builds. White's bishop jumps to g5, but black pushes h6, challenging the bishop. The bishop retreats to h4. Black launches pawn to g5. White's bishop hurries to f2, staying safe, for now. Now black plays knight to e4, putting serious pressure on white's center. White calmly pushes pawn to e3, keeping squares covered. But black slams the door with pawn to g4. The bishop must retreat to h4, but it's already in danger. Suddenly, black sacrifices, pawn takes f3. The bishop grabs on d8, but black is ready, pawn storms to f2, checking the king. White's king runs to e2, but black fires off bishop to g4, check. The king flees to d3. Now, the knight leaps to b4, another check. White's king is driven to e4, searching for shelter. But the coffin closes, black plays pawn to f5, checkmate. A breathtaking finish. White's king is trapped in the open, as black's pieces surround him from all sides. If you enjoyed this wild checkmate, smash the like button and subscribe for more epic chess content.